Hello? I will be teaching or dispensing Spanish and English made simple in my channel. Please like, share, and comment. Maganda rin marunong tayo ng ibang lingwahe. If you travel, if you work in other countries, yes, English ay magaling tayo, Philippines. That's the universal language, mostly, or the first language spoken in the world. Ang Spanish, pangalawa na spoken in the world. Like in US, nurses, if they work in Texas, mostly are speaking Spanish. South American countries, Spanish-speaking people. And so, maganda rin marunong tayo kahit simple. Like greetings, like mga simple sentences. Ngayon, matutunan natin dito yan. I will make it simple. Here, the Philippines, tayo po, ay madali lang. Matuto tayo kasi karamihan ng ating lingwahe, Tagalog, Bisayan, and then in Mindanao, in Tausug, or in Surigao, are mixed with Spanish words. Why? Kasi, alam natin na ang Spaniards colonized our country for almost 350 years. Kaya noon, our foreparents were speaking Spanish. Most of the books were written in Spanish. So madali lang tayo matuto. Kasi, karamihan may mga words na mixed with our language. For instance, numbers na lang, ginagamit natin yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ano pa? Days, araw. Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Domingo. Spanish yun. In English, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. See? Ano pa ginagamit natin? Months. Ginagamit din yan araw-araw. Enero, Febrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktobre, Nobyembre, Disyembre, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See? So, we always use them in our daily conversations. So, that's it muna. The next time, we will be learning other words. Like and share and comments and follow. And please send me stars and gifts. Bye-bye!